Hi, I'm Onyx. Welcome to my channel. I wanna thank you for following me here through this video and for your interest to learn SketchUp. In this channel, you're gonna learn the step-by-step on how to use the SketchUp program, especially the function of tools, learn keyboard shortcuts, and expose to several techniques. So fully understand the capability of the software to create 3D models. If you follow the tutorial series, you will understand the software's full features, and this is where you can master the SketchUp and you can create your own 3D models in an easy way. Aside from 3D modeling, you can also learn other software's tutorial by exploring my channel's playlist. You can find several tutorials that will suit to your desire and learn the program. For engineers, you will be able to discover the construction methods of land and marine works by exploring the channel's videos as categorized in the playlist. You will learn construction methods such as reclamation, dredging, tunneling, building informations, relevant testing methods, and etc. Engineering videos will be posted that are relevant and can categorize as videos for engineers. You can also check and follow my website www.onixxwebtutorials.com that can be found in the description below, and check my latest uploads, and you can also get the downloadable file documents. The videos and files might be a big help for your practice and study. Please click the follow button below for you to be updated. So guys, kindly follow me here in this channel by giving likes and comments about the videos that you will be watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel by following the link in the description below. Click subscribe and push the notification bell for alerts on the updates.